Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Anybody that's new to the channel, my name is Chris, and in this video I want to talk about a great pharmaceutical company that has gained over 200% in one trading day. They're going to come over to the US market and basically make a whole bunch of noise in the whole medical field. That company is called Ocugen. Now this company is a company that specializes in the diseases in the eyes. So you may be wondering, why is this company out of nowhere surging 200%? Well, in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about what's going on with the company, what exactly is continuing the surge, and how this company is going to probably make a huge impact in the whole medical field entirely. I'm going to try to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly can. If this is something you like and do enjoy, please make sure you guys give the video a big thumbs up. It does help out the channel. So without further ado, guys, let's get on with the video. Ocugen, ticker symbol OCGN, right now after hours is trading at $15.81. It had an incredible day in the market, gaining over 201%. You can see how in the past 5 days, guys, in just 5 days, it was just around $2.75, and since then increased its value tremendously. Again, this is one of those pharmaceutical companies that specializes in the diseases in the eyes. They have a market cap of $2.5 billion and an average volume of 66.2 million. Okay, now this company has been surging, has been getting a lot of attention from a lot of investors as of late. Biopharmaceutical company focused on discovering, developing, and commercializing a pipeline of therapies for eye diseases. Okay, if we take a quick look at their website, you can see they're strictly focused on eye diseases. Okay, our mission is to develop gene therapies to cure blindness diseases and develop a vaccine to fight the COVID-19. Okay, which again, guys, this is one of these companies that is specializing in one particular thing, but saw an opportunity to basically grow, and right now they're trying to focus on finding the COVID vaccine. This company does have many different things in its pipeline and they're currently working on, whether it's modifier gene therapy platform, novel biologic, and the vaccine. Okay, now the vaccine that they're currently working on is called COVANIX, which is the main reason to why this company has been surging as of late. On February 2nd, Ocugen announced a partnership with Biotech, announced basically an execution of definitive agreement for the commercialization of COVANIX in the US market, which, guys, is a very big thing. Okay, Biotech is a company that specializes in different types of vaccines, that has many different vaccines in their pipeline. COVANIX received the EUA in January in India and is currently in a fully enrolled phase 3 clinical trial involving 25,800 patients. COVANIX effectively neutralizes UK variants of SARS-CoV-2, reducing the possibility of mutant virus escapes. Okay, so this vaccine is going to be a very big thing. Right now, this vaccine is only in India, and they got the EUA in January for India. But under this agreement, Biotech is giving Ocugen the rights to the vaccine candidate and will be responsible for clinical development, regulatory approval, and commercialization in the US market. Okay, now this vaccine has been getting tremendous results and tremendous feedback. Ocugen will share the profits from the sale of COVANIX in the US market with Biotech, with Ocugen retaining 45% of the profits. Okay, now one big thing that I just want to mention to you guys is this. Okay, COVANIX is being administered as one of the 2 COVID shots available under emergency authorization, with the first batch of 30 million doses being administered to health professionals and frontline workers. Okay, 30 million doses, profits of 45% of 30 million doses is going to be tremendous for a company like Ocugen. Okay, now this company was a penny stock less than 2 weeks ago. So imagine what type of profits this company could have just by getting 45% of those 30 million doses in the United States. Okay, these 30 million doses are only in India. COVANIX is a whole virus inactivated COVID-19 vaccine licensed from Biotech for the US market. Okay, so now, as we all know, when it comes to trials or trying to get approval from something as big of a potential COVID vaccine cure, it is really costly. And Ocugen simply does not have the money right now to basically move forward with these specific phases. Okay, so now let's talk about why this company has been surging and skyrocketed today almost 200%. Well, they announced that they're going to have a $23 million direct offering of common stock priced at a premium to market. Okay, so this is going to solve one of their major issues. They're going to have $23 million in cash to help fund these trials, to help fund the distribution and research of this COVANIX vaccine that could potentially be, helping with the cure for COVID-19. Okay, It's going to be 3 million shares of its common stock at a price of $7.65. And what better yet, they took advantage of the increase in price to basically cash in on this money. And in my opinion, as a potential investor, this makes me pretty darn happy, because in my opinion, now this company surged 200%. I do not think this company will go down less than $10 ever again, not even $8. If this keeps continuing and the progress and the results keep on going and keep on going and showing good signs, this is going to continue to keep on going up, especially if it does get at least 45% profit of at least 30 million doses, for example. This is going to be very huge. Now, many investors have been eyeing this eye drug firm, Ocugen, and this company has been tripling down. Pre-market, this company went up 60%. Okay, so there is a lot of attention and a lot of hype surrounding this company. Why? Because there's a potential, acceleration to what could actually happen with this company. A lot of what could happen is a little bit speculative, because nobody really knows how effective COVANIX is actually going to be here in the States. But we all know if it's working over there in India and actually helping with a lot of different strands of the COVID, it could really help out here in the United States as well. As we all know, United States has a lot of cases, and cases keep on rising. So this potential vaccine and cure could really help limit or stabilize the cases of COVID-19. Okay, now a big question: when is it time to buy into Ocugen? Okay, so should you guys wait for a next dip? And in my opinion, like I said earlier, there might be a little bit of resistance moving forward, right? Because when a company goes up 200%, it's not likely that it's going to keep on continuing to increase 200 and 200% each and every day. So what could happen is there might be a little bit of resistance, maybe dropping 15, 20%. Maybe with that little small of a dip, maybe it could be a good price point to jump in. But right now, $15, it is a pretty good price point to jump in. Why? Because of the potential this company has, and the potential and the speculative, expectation that this company has, especially with the COVANIX vaccine. Okay, and if it does get good results and good feedback from the U.S. market, it could really make Ocugen a really powerful pharmaceutical company. Now, one of the big concerns is it was a penny stock, so you may deal with a lot of volatility. A lot of news could really affect how volatile or how high the stock price is in that particular day. If, for example, if there's a delay in the transaction, if there's a disapproval in the emergency, distribution of this vaccine, this stock and this company will start to plummet heavily. Okay, but just keep in mind, it is a penny stock. It was a penny stock, so it is gonna have volatility. Not every day a company is gonna have 200% gains and keep going up. Okay, it just doesn't happen that way. Okay, but this company does have a lot of potential to really grow in the clinical field. Remember, this company is getting structured by Biotech. This company is purely an eye disease company. Now it has its hands in a vaccine because of Biotech. If it wasn't for Biotech, this company would be irrelevant and nobody would really be looking at it. But now it has so much potential to actually grow and be impactful. Now a lot of investors are looking into it. Okay, I'm really considering into buying a position myself. I may not put too much money into it. I may not invest heavily into it, but I do like the potential of this company because solely of the COVID-19 vaccine, COVANIX. And my price target for this company right now, guys, right now is pretty, in my opinion, a little bit overvalued because it hasn't really done too much movement as of late. But if I do see the company ever going down below the $12, maybe $11, $10 mark, I'll probably consider buying into this position. But right now, I just wanted to update you guys on what exactly is going on with Ocugen company and how well and how much potential this company actually has in the future. It all depends on how well this vaccine actually, takes place in the US market and how much doses is actually distributed. Okay, we all know there's many different companies in the States that have different vaccines. But can this vaccine be a little bit more effective or as equally effective as the other vaccines? Okay, that's something that's that's really speculative, and if it could really make an impact, this company could really hit a home run and really be powerful in the pharmaceutical world. Especially, if you really affect the COVID and have a vaccine that counteracts everything, that's a pretty darn good company, right? And just to get 45% of the profit splitting with Biotech, is a pretty good margin in my opinion. Okay, so again, this was a penny stock. It does have a lot of volatility, so please do your research and your own due diligence before you start investing your money into companies like this. Okay, but I am gonna keep this stock in my watch list. If you haven't it on your watch list, at least consider to put it on your watch list, or if not, you know, try to buy into it, but just be careful. All right, guys, so that's basically the video on Ocugen. I hope I did update you guys, and I hope you guys got the most up-to-date information you possibly can. And if you guys did and you liked the video, please make sure you guys give me the big thumbs up. It does help me out. All right, guys, so please take care of yourselves. See you next time, and peace out. Have a great day, guys. Bye.